Got him, boy. This is a good one, guys. Our big old striper. Oh yeah, that's a good old striper right there. Crushed it. Relax, dude. Crushed it. Topwater buzzbait. Crushed it. I'm out here on the Miami Whitewater River. This is what I'm talking about when he crushed it. This bait right now is deformed because he freaking crushed this buzzbait. This $1 buzzbait. Crushed it. That was awesome. And I just turned on this camera too. It's even better. He crushed it. Let's see if I can't get another one. That was freaking awesome. So I'm guessing these strikers are running.